Alright guys, we are going to do a short little video on greatest common factor. So we're going to look at 16 and 24. To list the factors for both of these numbers. We have 1 and 16. 6 is divisible by 2, so it's 2 and 8. 1 plus 6 is 7, which is not divisible by 3, so 3 will not go into 16. And 4 times 4 is 16. We're getting repeating factors here, so that is all the factors for 16. So let's look at 24. We have 1 and 24. 4 is divisible by 2, so 24 is divisible by 2. So we have 2 times 12. And then we have 2 plus 4 is 6 from 24. 2 plus 4 is 6, which you can divide by 3. So that means 24 is divisible by 3. 3 times 8 is 24. And then 4. Does 4 go into 24? I believe 4 and 6 go in there. Is divisible by 7? No. And then we're back to our 8, which we have already listed, so we have found all of our factors. So now let's find the common factors. They share a 1, a 2, an 8, and a 4. They don't share 16. So the largest factor that they share together is 8. So the greatest common factor is 8. Okay, let's look at a set of 3 numbers. We have 9, 36, and 81. Let's list the factors of 9. We have 1, 9. 9 is not even, so it's not divisible by 2. And we know that 3 times 3 is 9. So we just got our doubles, so we know we found the factors for 9. So let's look at 36. We have 1 and 36. 6 is divisible by 2, so 36 is divisible by 2. I believe it's 2 and 18. What about 3? 3 plus 6 for 36. 3 plus 6 is 9, which is divisible by 3. So that means 3 goes in 12 times. 4, 36, I think 4 and 9. 4 times 9 is 36. What about 5? It doesn't end in a 0 or a 5, so it's not divisible by 5. What about 6? 36, so we know 6 times 6 is 36. We get our doubles, so we found our factors. Let's look at 81. We have 1 and 81. 1 is not even, so it's not divisible by 2. 8 plus 1 is 9, so we can do 3. And I think it's 3 and 27. And then 81 is divisible by 4. It's not divisible by 5 because it doesn't end in a 0 or a 5. 6, it's not divisible by 2 and 3, so it's not divisible by 6. No 7, no 8, and then we're at 9, which would be 9 times 9 is 81. So we have our doubles, so we know we found the factors for 81. So let's find our common factors. So they share 1. What else? They share 3s and 9s. 9. They don't share 81 or 27 and none of these other ones. So their greatest common factor is 9. Yeah. Equals 9.